Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step Webflow tutorial for beginners. In today's video, I will show you how to create a custom professional website using Webflow in 2025 without writing a single line of code. Whether you are a freelancer, business owner, or designer, this guide will help you build a stunning website for scratch. Let's get started. First of all, go to webflow.com and sign up for a free account by clicking Get Started, then sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, Webflow will guide you through a quick onboarding process. Choose Start from Scratch or pick a pre-designed template. Now let's explore Webflow's interface. Navigator. In the left panel shows the structure of your website. Canvas on middle area where you design your page. Style panel. Right panel used for customizing elements like fonts, style, colors, and spacing. Pages panel lets you manage different pages on site. If you are a beginner, you can use a Webflow template to speed up your process. But if you want full control, start with a blank page and build from scratch. Click on the plus icon and drag a section onto the page. Sections are the foundation of your layout, allowing you to organize your content effectively. Every website needs a header and drag a neighbor component onto the page. You can replace the page holder logo with your own, clicking on it, and upload your image. From here, double click on that and choose image and drag from your computer and drop here. Next, let's create a stunning hero section. Add a heading, subheading, and button inside the section. Adjust the font size. Colors and spacing. Using the style panel on the right side. To make your button functional, select it, go to the link settings and choose a page or external URL where you want it to direct users. If you want to add dynamic content like blogs or portfolios, Webflow CMS or content management system is perfect. Your website must look good on all devices. Click on the device icon from here. Tablet, mobile, large mobile, short. Webflow allows you to create amazing animations without coding. Select an element, go to select an element and go to the interaction section, then add a fade in effect. When scrolling, this makes your site more engaging. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to publish. Click on Publish button and choose Webflow free subdomain, or connect your custom domain from production section. Now your website is live, and that's it. You have just built a custom professional website in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Webflow and web design tutorials. Thanks for watching.